Yeah, Nuttwo Productions, and I'm back again with Ghetto and Bert, Strawberry, and we go.
$1 million, $2 million, $3 million, $4. Now I got these hood niggas knocking at my door, asking me for more. Don't make it rain, I make it snow. And if the party warm, I'm finna make it storm. Clothes that ain't been worn, dreams that ain't been torn. Walk up in the club, girls get nasty like porn. You know what I'm saying, and you know I ain't playing. This is Ghetto, Bert, so listen to me, man. Aw, man.
Messed up, but that's okay. Listen to me, it goes this way. Get girls so hot like a spot. You can have Nikki and Minaj et toi. Understand me, take a good look. This is Bert, got these in the ship. See me, fear me, here I come. Niggas duck it, niggas run. Popping guns, popping brains. Here I am, doing my thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. B-E-R-T on that flow. Got these niggas shaking like, oh, here we go. Don't stop my mad flow. Once again, Southside up.
Strawberry, I'm the trophy wife, and yep, I'm in, so believe the hype. I ain't no freak and I ain't no dive. The only thing I write is a court alright. Got more game than Kobe like, with a switch in my hip and sympathize. Cold better reptile like, scale your skin, my nigga, you're right. Who's your chick that's hated on? Been hated so much that the love is gone. But like Kanye, I'm holding on, cause that don't kill me, only make me strong. And these chicks is gone, they still with a nigga, but they did I'm wrong. Nigga did I'm wrong, nigga wouldn't know right if I'm zone. And I'm also bad, and you old days make me so sad. Now your girl's mad because Berry is bad, Strawberry is bad.
Yeah, she better than most. I done gave your girl up, now she's climbing the pole, huh? Money come first, the rest come later. Steady rising to the top like I'm on the elevator. I'ma switch it up, start a little fast. Got a little money where the shit gon' last. Gotta be up like a pro pass. I ain't talking about the weed, nigga, that's in the past. All the great goose got a name gon' pad. Yes, I drink, never drunk to the max. My nigga Nuttwo, nigga, that's my dog. I'm scratch it up, nigga, that's my bro. Grown ass nigga, I can do what I want. Looking for girls with a real big dome. If you got that, that's my type. Pretty face with a smile so right.